Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video regarding a stock that while I was researching my swing and positional trading strategies I've come across. I thought I'll discuss it with my subscribers. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So the stock that I've come across is called Zydus Lifesciences. This is the way the chart looks on the screen currently. It's on the daily chart, and this is how the thing looks on screener. All right, so before we get into the chart, let's do a quick study about how it looks on screener. I do a very simple thing. I currently look for the market cap. It's over 1 lakh crore, which is good. Current price is 995. Book value is 217, so it's about 1:5, and return on capital employed is pretty good. Return on equity is also pretty good. And let's look at the max P. The max P median is 22.8. It's currently available at 23.4, very close to the max median. The 10-year median is 23.2. Currently it's available at almost the last 10-year median. All looks good. Pros: company has reduced debt, company is almost debt free. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 8.23% over the past 5 years. Okay, this column I would leave it to your own research. I mean, just compare it with the others. I can see that the promoter holding is pretty good, which is a good sign for me. Close to 74.98%, or you can say close to 75% is owned by promoters. Pledged is nothing, which is another good sign. FI holding is good. I mean, it's decent. It's the least among all these pharma companies. DIA holding is good, and public holding is not too much. So public holding is quite less, which is also good. Debt is almost nothing when you look at the size of the company, and return on capital employed in the last 10 years is decent, or capital employed is decent. ROE, return on equity, is decent. Daily volume is also decent. All looks good. These are quarterly sales. I can see it looks decent. There's a slight dip in September 2024, but which is okay. This is the yearly sales. Doesn't look bad at all. Do your own research again. I can see a nice EPS growth year on year. Okay, and I can see over here promoter holding is constant. FIIs have increased their stake compared to 21. FI stake is almost doubled. DIA is more or less constant, slightly less. Government holds a little bit, peanuts, 0.05%, and public holding is at 6.85%, which is nice. That means it's not too much in the public domain. So that is as far as the screener says about this. Now when I look at the chart, this is the daily chart. I see that it's trying to make a base over here, and after making a bottom of about 933, it's trying to climb up, and it's currently at 995. So what is the 52-week high and low? Is it mentioned over here? Okay, 52-week low is 631. Okay. Zydus. So where is the 52-week low? Let me add that indicator itself. 52-week high and low. If I just add this. Okay, yeah, the 52-week low is over here somewhere at 632. Okay. Okay, so this is the daily chart. I think it's trying to bounce from here. All right. The only reason I'm wanting to make this video is let's add it to our watch list so that we track it from here on. Because the moment I saw this chart, it's very similar to the Bajaj FinServ chart. That's the only reason it caught my attention. If you compare the Bajaj FinServ chart with Zydus Lifesciences, they look very, very similar. Look at this fall and this bottom formation and going up. This is Bajaj FinServ, and then look at Zydus Lifesciences. They are almost very similar. All right. Now let's look at it on the monthly charts. It looks like this. This of course was the COVID low. and from there it went up, came down again, went up. I think it's retracing again, and maybe it's going to go up again. So if we take this 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe the fifth wave will take it high. That's one way of looking at it. This is the monthly chart, this is the weekly chart. So two things can happen from here. Either it has come over here, it's making a base and it's going to bounce up, or it'll go up till here and then fall again. That is the two things that can happen. I think it will climb at least till here. So there is maybe a chance of making about 15% in the next 2 or 3 months. That is the outlook that I have on the stock. Again, it's not a recommendation. I myself may not buy it. It's just that we are trying to do some chart studies for swing and positional trading, and this is one example that I can highlight. That's why I'm discussing this. On the 4-hour charts, again, if you see, it's tried to make a base over here, and it's now going up. It's almost breaking the R3 on the 4-hour charts. This is on the 1-hour time frame. It's breaking the R3 and going up. So it looks good. On lower time frame, it keeps looking better. It keeps looking better. And this is how it's done today. It's climbed up 17 rupees. Yesterday also there was a climb between yesterday's low and today. It has gone up about, so in 2 days it's gone up about 35 rupees, 34.90, almost 35 rupees, which is not bad. So all in all, the stock is looking good. I think it's a good stock to add to our watch list. You can add this, and you can probably add Bajaj Finserv. The charts for both of them look pretty similar. I'm not too sure how this looks on the monthly. Yeah, I think they both compare more or less alike. But I've not gone through the screener details of Bajaj Finserv. We will do that at a later time. I just wanted to run through this Zydus Lifesciences. I think it's a good stock to currently add to our watch list and study this. These two moving averages that you see are EMA 34 and EMA 55. In EMA 55, I'm using HL2 as the source, and in EMA 34, it's normal simple close. EMA 34 is based on CM EMA trend bars, and EMA 55 is based on NSDT Hama candles. All right. Apart from that, we are using a custom fib, which automatically analyzes everything and gives out our custom Fibonacci retracement level. So you'll notice from daily, when I switch to weekly, it analyzes and gives me the fibs level automatically. Monthly, it'll analyze and gives the levels automatically. So I don't need to do much. Our indicator automatically analyzes and gives us the fib levels automatically. Here you see it's given us the bottom, it's given us our first resistance, then here will be the next resistance, and then here will be the next resistance. So if you want to learn how to make this custom Fibonacci retracements and automate it, consider becoming a member on our group, because that video is available in the members section. It's an exclusive video available to our members. All right. On that note, guys, I'm sorry, this is Zydus. So on that note, guys, I'll end this video. This chart is one of those examples that we can use to study swing and positional trading. As I mentioned, there are two things that can happen. Either it's coming down, it's going to bounce from here and at least go up till here somewhere, or somewhere till here about 1400. There's a good chance of a 15% return. It'll at least go up till here, I think. So there's a good chance of 15% return in the next 2 or 3 months. After that, we will see. So the possibilities are it'll retrace till here, and after that, whether it goes and makes a double top, we don't know, or it goes down, we don't know. A lot of things are dependent. That's dependent on a lot of things. But just like over here, it dipped and again climbed. Maybe that same thing is going to happen again, because as we saw, the fundamentals are not too bad. They're supportive of the stock going up again. So on that note, I'll end this video, guys. Just add Zydus Lifesciences to your watch list. It's one of the candidates that we'll study in our swing and positional trading and see how this goes. Also add Bajaj Finserv, because the charts look alike. They both will make a good study companion together. All right, on that video, I'll end this note, guys. I'll end this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're already a subscriber, consider becoming a member on the channel by clicking on the join button. There are some exclusive videos available to our members. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your family and friends. Please give this video a like. Please give it a thumbs up. It motivates us to make more videos for you. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel as well. The link is given in the description below and all our videos. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend. Take care. Bye bye.